Tired of looking at the serial monitor for all your Arduino project data? It's time to upgrade. Today, we're going to learn how to add a simple 16 by 2 LCD display to your Arduino project. Normally, connecting this display requires up to 12 Arduino pins, which eats up all your resources. That's a headache. But we have a solution. By adding this tiny I2C module to the back, we can reduce that wiring mess down to just 4 simple pins. Let's get started. First, let's understand the I2C adapter. I2C stands for Inter-Integrated Circuit. This module acts as an intermediary, converting the complex parallel data from the LCD into a simple serial format that Arduino can handle. Look at the module's pins. VCC and GND are for power. The two vital pins are SDA and SCL. SDA is the serial data line, and SCL is the serial clock line. These two lines handle all the communication, saving us those valuable 8 to 10 digital pins on the Arduino. Now for the wiring. This is the simplest part. Just follow this diagram carefully. Step 1. Connect the VCC pin on the I2C module to the 5V pin on the Arduino Uno. And connect GND to GND. Step 2. The I2C communication lines. Connect the SDA pin to the Arduino's analog pin A4. And connect the SCL pin to the Arduino's analog pin A5. That's it. For connections, and your display is ready for programming. To make this work, we need a library. Go to Sketch, include Library, Manage Libraries, and search for Liquid Crystal I2C. Install the one by Frank de Brabander. Next, you need to find the unique I2C address of your module. It's usually 0x27 or 0x3f. You can run a small I2C scanner code, findable on Google, to confirm this address before proceeding. Now let's write the code to print Hello World. First, include the library. Then, initialize the LCD with its address, 0x27, and its size, 16 columns, 2 rows. In setup, we use lcd.init and lcd.backlight to turn on the screen and the light. Finally, lcd.setCursor, 0, 0, moves the cursor to the top left, and lcd.print displays our message. There you have it. A clean, simple way to add a display to your projects, saving valuable Arduino pins using the I2C module. If this tutorial helped you simplify your wiring, hit the like button. The complete code and wiring diagram link are in the description below. Subscribe for more easy Arduino tutorials.